long overdue. The people are like, man, get on YouTube and do your reviews, man. We need a better review other than 30 seconds. I'm like, alright, cool. I'm gonna do that for the people. So why not start it off with a banger? A shoe that I feel like overhyped, but they okay at the same time. I understand the hype type thing, but I'm like, man, they ain't all that. Why y'all ain't had the same energy when the week 6s came out? Y'all know what shoe I'm talking about. I'm gonna put it right there. But this is my first time opening. Let's see what's to them. Put that to the side. My man's let me see his pair he won off sneakers. It's like a size 20. Damn. A first glance at them, I don't know. I ain't gonna even lie. They kinda camel dookie. I ain't gonna even front. I'm not really feeling them. Like, I understand the hype, but these ain't even all that to be losing your shit over or paying $1,000 for. Maybe for like collector's items or whatever, but other than that, it's a pass for me. It come with this little bag. I guess. It fit both shoes. This is a nice little collector's item, I guess. I'll pass. You wearing the shoes, but I get it, you know, Travis Scott. Overall though, the shoe ain't all that to be like, I'm finna spend $1,000 on these. Like, I ain't gonna lie, me personally, my $1,000 going, or whatever they cost going, I'm pretty sure it's a highest number, probably in the I know it's over 5, I tell you that. My money going to something else, I ain't gonna hold you. They got some nice little features. It come with the little laces. I mean, it's my first. I did touch the first. You know what? 'Cause somebody bought them fixed. But other than that, they not. I feel like the first one was better. You know what I mean? Like, they come with this. They got the, you know, the typical Travis Scott little pocket. I ain't even gonna front though. I ain't even know it had this little zipper though. Yeah, they doing a little too much. That's probably the nicest feature on there. Okay, come with the little lace locks on the side. I ain't even peeped that. That's okay, decent feature. I ain't gonna lie, I keep the shoe the same. They got one of the little bonus laces. I ain't really feeling them. Like, the shoe already, like, I say this little infrared fuchsia color definitely will make it stand out a little more. But other than that, it ain't nothing to be losing your shit over. I ain't gonna lie. Like, they look just like them week 6s, literally just like them week 6s. Nobody bought. Literally, when I say I saw them boys at the outlet, $80, and they was still sitting there. That's a steal. Like, people losing their shit over these. It's a pass for me. I ain't gonna hold you. Anything. They got nice little details. But for me, boy, I gotta give them a hard alley-oop off the glass to y'all. I know y'all like the hype beasts. That shit got they coochies jumping. But it's a pass for me. I ain't gonna hold you. Like, if I had a choice right now to spend $600 on a shoe, it would not be this. It would definitely be another shoe. Like, if I had to spend $600, it'd definitely be a whole nother shoe. Like, I don't think they worth it, but I understand why they got this hype. It's Travis Scott, man. The Travis Scott effect. They do. I'm pretty sure the sole's glow in the dark. I'm gonna show that part too. But other than that, it's a like I said, alley-oop off the glass. It's a hard pass for your boy. They clean though, as far as like details, and like, I ain't gonna hold you. You buy this shoe, you only gonna wear it once or twice, cause these things will get filthy. You don't want to dog these out. Like, if you one of the people that wear their shoes every day, you get your money's worth. You gonna get your money's worth. But best believe you ain't finna keep this shoe clean for no more than. If you wear it a week straight, they filthy at the end of the week. Like, no bullshit. So, get you some little suede protective suede gonna get hella filthy. One wear, it's over with. Like if you wanna restore tip, if you wanna not the restore tip, if you wanna collector's tip, and you just holding them for value, I ain't gonna hold you. Back tab gonna get yellow, the tongue gonna get yellow, and this little lace lock gonna get yellow because they translucent. But other than that, they ain't finna be. It ain't gonna hold up as well. And if you hold them for like 5-4 years at the value go up, which they will, they're definitely not gonna look good. Cause once that tongue and back tab get the yellow, you gonna be like, damn, what happened to my shoes? So it's gonna leave you shitty. But I on the scale though, man, I give them a not my cup of tea, man. That's what I'm gonna give them. I don't even know what kind of scale that is, but not my cup of tea. I'm gonna put that in the 6s range. I just wouldn't spend $600 on these, so pass. But glow in the dark feature though, they nice little collectors item. But our alley bought the glass though for sure.